Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I want to share with you a haul from the company Lbeads. They recently approached me to do a collaboration with them, and I did take a look at their shop, and they have so many beautiful items, so I immediately said yes to the corporation, and I got a chance to order some goodies, and all of these goodies will be listed in my description box down below. And of course I want to share with you my opinion about those items that I selected, and I just wanted to show you how they look like in person. Yeah, not in person, but how I see them. And of course I will be doing a craft along video and just another project share. So but first let me do the how it comes when you receive your package. Of course they have in a another package around this, but this is how it will be, and this is the first item that I fell in love with, which is a Resin Heart, and it has glitter. I will show you in detail just in a moment. Just wanted to share the code for that, and of course there is a 3% code also linked down below to my in my description box to this item as well as all the items in the shop. You get 3%, and this is how they look, and I just love it. It has some beautiful glitter in there, and I also will be posting a photo from their own website, so you'll see that right now. And I just love it. Love the beautiful glitter pieces that are in there, and in a pack that comes 200 pieces, and the measurements are in millimeters, 27 by 28 and by 8 millimeters. So that's like this 28, this like this 27, and the thickness is about 8 millimeters. So yeah, and I do have a inch ruler here just to show you a peek on how large this is, like so. And I just love the colors, really beautiful colors, and it's perfect to use for Maggie Holmes projects, simple stories, name it out there. All these beautiful brands have these colors, so this is just a perfect pack to have. And as I said, you get 200 pieces. It looks like this. And there's not as much as blue pieces in there, but I don't mind that because I usually use the pinks and the whites the most. So and that's perfect. But of course, if you do not like a variety pack, just take a look at their shop and grab yourself a single color pack. So then again, this is for the first item that I wanted to share. And then there is this beautiful one that's also 200 pieces in a pack, and this is how it looks when you receive it. And the pack, this is the code as well of the pack. And as you see, you get quite a large variety of different colors, and they do have like the same quantity of colors, so that's perfect. A great variety. And this is how it looks when it's out of the package. And let me see, the measurements of those are in millimeters again. 16 like this, 60 millimeters, and from here to there it's 30 millimeters, and the thickness is up to the thickest point, it's 5 millimeters. And let me just grab the inch ruler there so you can see it in inches. So this is also a perfect size for cards and banner pieces, for rosettes, tag flips. Yeah, just perfect size for that. And this is the variety of colors that they come in. And I do love, that's why I picked it, I do love the beautiful flakes that they have in this Resin Heart. And as you see, it really glues on, yeah, flat and perfect. So I just love that. Then we'll go to the third item that I picked, which are these Gumball Machines. These were on my wish list for quite a while, so I'm very happy that I did find them also in their store. You get, let me see, 10 pieces in a pack. And this is the code for that. So remember, you get 3% off, and of course they have their own beautiful discounts as well on their shop, in their shop, so take a look at that. So, and this is how it looks like when you take it out of the package. It's like this, and the measurements of this are like this and that on top. This is I believe 17 millimeters. Yeah, let me see this one. Yeah, it's almost like 3 centimeters. Let me see. Yeah, tall there. And this is in inches, like so. So yeah, you get of course 10 pieces, as I said, and yeah, this is the color that I saw on the website, and I just love it. Really beautiful details there. And of course, throughout this video, I will be sharing some photos from their own website as well. So yeah, I cannot wait to start creating and crafting with these elements. I am in a challenge with Brigitta still, so I will probably be using these in our tag flip that we we wanted to swap with each other. So yeah, cannot wait to create a craft along for you, and I cannot wait to hear what you think about the products. Please take a look at their website, Lbeads. I will put a link down below to all of these products, and as well to the shop. And thank you so much, Lbeads, for inviting me to collaborate with you, and I cannot wait to start sharing new projects. Talk to you all soon. Bye bye.